When the whole world was busy seeing the falling apple, Newton discovered the law of gravitation. When most of people gushed at the moon and stars, Van Gogh saw his Starry Night. Where we saw only steam, James Watt visualized the steam engine and made our lives easier. Everybody made paper planes as a kid, but it was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam who could design actual missiles from them. All these geniuses changed the world around them. Their unique thinking and imagination made it possible for them to see beyond the ordinary and leave behind creations that will continue to amaze humankind. Your children have talent, a unique potential. They merely need to discover it. Welcome to Mount Litra Z School. Here we help children discover their unique potential and achieve their true potential. We create tomorrow's leaders today. Leaders in their respective fields of interest. Leaders who will be able to excel in dynamic environment of the 21st century. Creativity is seeing the same thing as everybody else, but thinking of something different.
I want to be a musician.
At the core of the heart of Mount Litra Z School's philosophy lies one aspect. We believe in doing what is right for the child. The child is the center of everything we do.
We identify, nurture, and hone students' potentials and help students achieve their true potential. Emergent Student Profile is our promise and our goal.
I am the future astronaut.
I want to be a football player.
I want to be a painter.
I want to become a doctor.
I want to be a dancer.
Emergent Student Profile is an outcome of all the knowledge, skills, and values coming together. Here at Mount Litra Z School, we use a continuous 360-degree process to transform our students.
We are not just roll numbers, we are unique individuals. We all are talented.
Mount Litra Z School figures out where the talent lies in each one of us.
Our school develops us into complete individuals.
The school is not here to just complete the syllabus. Our parents are equal partners in our development.
Behind the Emergent Student Profile lies the Litra Octave, an 8-pronged approach to activate the transformation in every child. A holistic transformation is the goal. Let us look at how this extraordinary transformation takes place at Mount Litra.
It is very natural for us to see Rishabh becoming a football player. We have seen him from the kindergarten when he used to balance objects on his head, legs and feet.
At times, when his friends wouldn't join him, he would practice against a wall all alone. Slowly, the school realized that he got tired playing football alone while his friends played other popular games. During the parent meeting in Mount Litra Z School, his parents told this to his teachers.
Today he's found his passion in football. Every child is a unique individual and we are here to help them grow into the unique personalities they are. We are not here to make them into the bonsais we like.
Swati, she gifted me this book called Good and Assured and Back. It had nothing about football, but it has everything to do with football.
From that day onwards, things became fun. He started connecting every subject to football.
Every ball has hexagons. Hexagons lies in honeycomb, human eyes, and in so many places. Hexagons are useful to me for planning how to play on the field, defense, mid, and attack.
Litra content is uniquely developed for nurturing a child's knowledge, intelligence and creativity. I remember the time when Swati came to us first. She was a very restless and curious child. She was always good in maths and science but needed help in other subjects. And she was always curious to do a number of things at the same time.
I still remember the time when Mount Litera teachers asked me, since when did Swati fall in love with stars? All I remember is the time, some years ago, we went to our native village. She was looking up at the sky, staring at the stars, reciting the poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars and making shapes in the sky.
She lacked concentration and attention. So we devised exercises to make her more focused and find out what was going on in her mind. In Litera content, we use interactive classrooms. We also use technology in the form of e-content and a blended learning approach by diverse modes. We're still trying to figure out methods of trying to help Swati. That's when we decided to try new ways.
Swati was always an explorer. She would find patterns and connections everywhere. Our teacher asked me to help her. She became my good friend. She started discovering patterns even in my paintings.
Harpreet's paintings made Swati discover her passion for finding patterns in the night sky. And simultaneously, through our Litera blended learning design, she understood about universe and stars. That's when she found out her starry night and her twinkle stars. I still remember the time she came running through the class asking, if stars are real, how can I meet them? It is then that I realized that her journey as an astronaut had started. Thanks to the combined effort of all the people at Mount Litera Z School.
As a child, Harpreet was very afraid of colors due to an accident that happened with her on one Holi. Thanks to Mount Litera Z School and their networking methodology, that we could connect not just to the teachers of this school, but to the teachers and the parents of other Mount Litera Z schools across the country. This helped us immensely.
Students here are not just roll numbers. They're unique individuals who need patience and support. Through Litera Teacher, we also have special requirement workshops for teachers to align their approach towards each child in the school.
Our daughter has become a rainbow in our lives. Her paintings have won many awards.
Like any child, Faisal was making different things with paper and he was making things in a different way. Actually, we thought it was a very casual activity, making paper planes, paper bows, etc. and other things.
The teachers introduced Faisal to many great architects. He also learned about Corbusier and Gaudi, which changed his life completely.
Teachers from Maths, Science and Arts interacted and made a 360-degree approach for him to develop his strengths.
We are really happy about him and he has finally decided to become an architect.
Let us see how blended learning design happens. The classroom lessons are conveyed through interactive whiteboards and technology. The same lessons are later taken forward through various activities. Through specially designed activities, we help embed core values, life skills, and knowledge so that every student has a chance of evolving into a leader. Every child is unique, and it is important to nurture this unique potential. Through Litera Octave, we bring out every child's true potential and help her achieve it. This is what we consider true learning, preparing tomorrow's leaders through the emergent student profile. Mount Litera Z schools are spread across the country in various locations. We have more than 100 schools spread across the country. To see the world in a grain of sand and heaven in a wild flower, hold infinity in the palm of the hand and eternity in an hour. Mount Litera Z School. Great school, great future.